To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, swipe up to scroll down, and locate the video you want to watch in clear display. Then, press and hold anywhere on the video screen. After a moment, a menu will appear at the bottom. Swipe left through the options until you see the Clear Display option, then simply tap on it. TikTok will then remove all the clutter, captions, like buttons, comments, and other icons, allowing you to enjoy the video in full screen mode. You will also get options to pause or resume the video, and even change the playback speed, so you can watch at your own pace, without any distractions. Remember, clear display is temporary. When you swipe to the next video, the interface will reappear, and you will need to enable it again for a distraction-free viewing experience. Clear display lets you enjoy TikTok videos in full screen mode without any on-screen distractions, making for a more immersive viewing experience. So that's how you can watch videos in full screen with clear display on TikTok.